In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Framer. We're going to connect a Mailchimp sign-up form to your Framer project so that anyone who submits the form on your site goes straight into your Mailchimp audience. I'll walk you through grabbing the exact form URL from Mailchimp and then wiring it up inside Framer, plus a few tips for customizing the experience. Start in your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, look to the left panel and click Forms, then choose Other Forms beneath it. Here, pick your existing embed form type, or create a new one using the Create New Form button in the top right. This opens the form editor. When you're ready, click Continue at the top right to move forward. You'll now see the embed code for the form. Scan that code for the part that starts with Form Action. Immediately after Form Action, there's a URL inside the first set of quotation marks. Carefully copy that URL only, don't include the quotation marks or any extra characters. This link is your form URL, and it's what Framer will use to send submissions to the right place in Mailchimp. If the code looks long, a quick find for the phrase Form Action can help you zero in on it. Double check that you captured the entire URL from start to finish. Now switch over to your Framer project in the editor. Along the top left, click Insert, search for Mailchimp, and then drag and drop the Mailchimp component onto your canvas. Place it where you want the sign-up form to appear on your page and resize it as needed so it fits your layout. With the Mailchimp component selected, look to the right side Properties panel. Scroll down until you reach the Mailchimp section. In the URL field, paste the form URL you copied from Mailchimp. That's the key connection. Below that, you'll find options to fine-tune the experience. Set a success message, choose a redirect after submission, and toggle tracking if you want analytics on form events. You can also adjust layout, font, input styling, button appearance, and gap spacing to match your site's design. If you want even more visual control, keep scrolling through the Properties panel for additional styling and behavior settings. Aim for clear labels, good color contrast, and a concise set of fields so signups feel quick and trustworthy. And that's it. You grabbed the Form Action URL from Mailchimp, added the Mailchimp component in Framer, pasted the URL, and customized the look and behavior. Your Framer site is now connected to your Mailchimp form.